Hi, I'm Derek Coates with Dormicaba. Today we're going to look at replacing the batteries in the E7900 lock. Now this same thing applies whether it's a mortise lock, a cylindrical lock, or a panic trim. They're all pretty much the same. Mortise and cylindrical are identical. Panic trim's slightly different just because the battery housing's not attached to the lock, it's attached to a mounting plate. Only difference. So we've got our lock here. On the back side of it, we've got our battery housing. It's got two screws that hold it on, little torque screws. We even include the key for it. You will need 4 AA batteries for this. So it's as simple as taking these two screws out. Don't lose the screws. Little screws like this tend to fall and disappear. So I'm going to set them here. And we even have a note on here that says alkaline batteries only. So it's a good time to point out. People say, well, I want to conserve a little bit. Can I use lithium batteries for this? No. Please do not use rechargeable batteries at all in these locks. They are designed to work with standard alkaline batteries. Lithium batteries or any other rechargeables, you're going to have one issue of never knowing when they're low, because if you ever tried to use a drill, sit there and run it, keeps running, then all of a sudden it's dead. No taper of voltage really to tell you it's going dead. So you're not going to get any kind of low battery alerts or anything out of it. You're also going to actually end up with other issues because rechargeable batteries don't have the exact same voltage as an alkaline. They also are more susceptible to temperature changes. So one, you're spending more money for it. Two, you're creating more problems for yourself. So standard alkaline batteries. This one has Rayovac in it. You can use Energizer, Duracell, whatever you want. Just make sure they're alkaline batteries. And please don't buy some cheap junk batteries because then you're going to have leaks in your lock. So taking the cover off, pop the batteries out. You see these are pretty easy to remove. It's not like they're jammed in there, hard to remove. Pull them out. So now our lock has no batteries in it. Set these aside, grab my good batteries, and I'm going to pop them in place. Make sure you face them the right way. When you put that last battery in, you typically hear the little motor whir. I saw the light flash because I was looking at it when it did it. But you hear a little zzz, just telling you the lock is powered up. So I'm going to put my cover back on, put my screws back in, use my little tool here to run them in. If you're doing a bunch of these, get the correct screwdriver bit and just put it in your little handheld screwdriver and run these in and out. These are not long enough to be using a power drill, folks. You'll crack the plastic housing, and all that time you saved by being able to pull a trigger versus turn a screw, you just lost. So this is how we replace the batteries in our E7900 lock. Thank you.